Hi, everybody. Tom McGuire here, and I'm going to talk again about labor production rate. This is the single most important factor in estimating and project management. If you don't know what your labor or what your production rates are, then you're in trouble, and you're probably having trouble getting paid. And if you're having trouble getting paid, it's probably because you don't know what you should be producing and what levels you should be producing at. So use your data. If you don't know how to use your data, contact me. I will show you how to use the data that you are sitting on. You are sitting on your labor production rate right now. What is the production rate? The production rate is your barometer of your job performance. For example, everybody knows equipment. Everybody knows sizing equipment and all of that. But what is sizing equipment? Pints per day, gallons per day, CFM. That's the production rate of your equipment. So why are we not using production rates for our people? What we should be expecting out of their performance. We're not setting prices, we're not setting their performance. We're setting the expectations for their performance. So the labor production rate has been around for centuries. It's in absolutely every manufacturing facility in the world and has been forever. In fact, if you looked at Amazon, Amazon has dialed in the production rate of their expectations for their employees and their robots down to the minute. And as restorers, we need to do the same thing. We can't just do it is what it is approach to labor. If we do that, we're going to always have problems getting paid because our invoices aren't going to make sense. Remember that too much labor on the job is a project budget and gross margin killer. You might have a high top line, while your bottom line is sucks, and you can't figure out why. It's usually because you're not producing at the levels that you should be expecting your employees to produce at. If you need to know more, get a hold of me at tom@largelossmastery.com or visit any of our upcoming classes. We have some killer classes coming up. So check our schedule, get in and learn all about labor production rates. It's a single most important factor in estimating and project management. Talk to you soon.